Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe. Today's recipe is from HelloFresh and it's their tomato and zucchini flatbreads. I've tried several flatbreads from this company and loved every single one of them. This one's super simple. You can see how the ingredients come. And the first thing you always want to do is slice and dice everything. And then I put the tomatoes in a bowl with some olive oil, garlic, salt, and pepper. And gave that a mix and then set it aside. And then I worked on making the lemon ricotta. So I put the ricotta in a bowl, half the lemon zest, a little bit of olive oil, season it with salt and pepper, and then added lemon juice. Bonus points if you squeeze the lemon in there and you get seeds in there and you don't notice it until later. Looks like I did that. Then I mixed that really well and set that aside. And then I moved on to cooking the zucchini. Added some olive oil to a skillet, added the zucchini, and again, hit it with some salt and pepper. I cooked that for about 5 to 6 minutes. And then we have the flatbreads. So I divided the ricotta mixture evenly over both flatbreads. And then I placed the tomatoes on there. These were really large tomatoes. And typically I hate tomatoes on pizza. I don't like how they get when they're cooked, but this was just so packed with flavor. It was really good. Next, you can add the zucchini. And then I baked that just for about 10 minutes or so to heat it up, toast it a little. Then I did sprinkle it with chili flakes, parsley leaves. You can add any remaining lemon zest. And then it came with some honey. Probably should have heated it up so I could do more of a drizzle, but it definitely did like melt and become drizzly since the pizza was hot. But that is all you do. It's so simple and the flavors just really work well together. So if you guys would like to try anything from HelloFresh, I do have a promo code below in the description box. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.